Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by duplicating the background so you never alter the original. This protects you if you need to revert. Once done, pick a selection tool that matches the shape, lasso for freehand, quick selection for contrast edges, and trace the foreground object. Make sure to set a small feather like 0, 5 to 3 px for smoother transitions. This prevents hard halos. After the rough selection, open, select, and mask to refine edges, focusing on hair, fur, or semi-transparent areas before removing the object. With a refined selection active, choose Edit Content-Aware Fill. This generates a preview by sampling surrounding pixels. You should switch sampling area to custom when nearby objects would pollute the fill, painting excluded regions out of the sample. Once the fill looks close, use the patch tool to blend larger patterns and the clone stamp for precise texture fixes, sampling with Alt/Option. Make sure to work in small patches so patterns stay consistent. Toggling color adaptation and rotation adaptation helps match lighting and finish by inspecting edges at 100% magnification. Use the spot healing and healing brush to remove seams and correct minor color shifts. If the filled area looks too sharp, add a subtle Gaussian blur or tiny noise to match surrounding grain. Once satisfied, flatten or keep layers organized. If something goes wrong, mask the filled layer and redo the selection, or try frequency separation to reconcile texture versus color. This often fixes stubborn blending issues without altering overall detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.